How to change country in Amazon app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can change country in Amazon app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, changing the country in Amazon app is very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Amazon shopping application here. Then once you launch the Amazon app, you will see this type of interface. So from here, from the bottom, you can just tap on this little profile like icon here. Then from here, if you look at the top right, you'll find a current flag. So this flag indicates the country setting that you have currently selected. So in my case, it is United States. So that's why you're seeing the United States option or the flag there. So if you would like to change it, tap on it, and from there select country or region, change it to any of the other country that you'd like. Then after that, do not forget to tap the done button, and then your country will get successfully changed on Amazon. That's all it takes to change country on Amazon app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.